It's pretty much the home screen of the application. Once you have pretty much open application, as you can see here, very easy interface. And there's pretty much 3 main tools which you can use. As you can see here, the retake option, which is using AI as well. That the impression option here, and you have the hairstyle option. All of these are based on AI. So let's say, for example, you want to enhance your look. For example, you don't want to try the retake option. As you can see here, you can tap on this option. Maybe eyes closed. You can use this feature here. You just tap on that and pretty much select the photo with your eyes closed, and as you can see here, will pretty much open your eyes. So that's really pretty much it for that feature. The impression, as you can see here, pretty much shows you an example of what to expect with that feature. And here you have the hairstyle feature as well. So you have some other great stuff which you can use. You have the image enhancer feature, you have the hairstyle, as you can see down here. Based on how you look, it will just give you a random hairstyle to improve your appearance. So as well for this here, all you have to just tap on the option that you want, select the photo that you want to change your hair color for, and you're pretty much good to go. Retouch, pretty much like the AI enhanced feature, it will give you, similar to this here, will give you a better look based on how you look. So that's pretty much it for that there. Nothing much. You have this option here which is remove background. Nothing much for that feature as well. So if I tap on the plus icon, you just give you the option to upload a picture of your face, and there you'll be able to edit and add different stuff as well, meaning changing your color, adding filters and so forth. So that's just basically what this application really is. So as it relates to the Pro subscription for this application here, you can tap on this up the top here where it says Pro, and as you can see here, you can get a 7 days feature which you can pretty much test out their Pro subscription features and pretty much everything. So as you can see here, what the application does, pretty much improve your appearance. Let's say you might not like the photo that you've taken and you don't want to retake it. You can pretty much use this application here to retake it for you to improve your appearance. So that's just basically the whole thing for this application here. So as you can see here, this is the feature option. Let me just disable the feature. As you can see here, they have a yearly subscription and a weekly subscription. You can see these prices down here as well, as you can see. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, and if you want as well to take pictures directly from the application, you can as well use the magic retakes. And yeah, that's really pretty much it. So if I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see if I can help you out.